Is it getting into your building now?
It's hitting our basement windows, which is terrifying, but thankfully it's not flooding yet.
Yeah, I look across the street, it's like a waterfall going into that basement.
I know.
I've been in this neighborhood since 2014.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you just haven't seen it?
I've never seen anything like this. No.
Did you expect this with this storm? Did you hear anything about this before this happened?
I mean, it rained so much last weekend. I feel like we had like a little bit of a break.
Yeah.
So I wasn't really watching the weather. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to rain so much again. So.
It has happened before, but not that it lasts for this long.
Really?
Yeah.
And is that usually like from a tropical storm or something? Like this is just...
Usually a tropical storm or just like crazy rain. But it doesn't normally last this long. You know, we've had rain for days, so there's nowhere for it to go. The ground is completely saturated.
I'm gonna help you push. Here, I'm gonna get you from the back. Ah.